Today I'm at the Nugent Centre in Orpington, which is a small retail park that opened sometime around 2006. There are 4 lifts for us to ride. Well, technically 5 lifts if you count the Sports Direct just down the road, but since that's only got a platform lift, I think we can leave that one out. First to the lift in Marks and Spencer's. This is actually an Otis Gen 2 lift, even though it looks like a generic. It's just got custom-made Dewhurst buttons. Otis.
Going up. Doors closing.
This is the lift at Marks and Spencer's at the Nugent Centre. It's an Otis lift.
First floor.
No, I think... Oh, this indicator's alright. And back down.
Doors closing.
So it's an Otis Gen 2. Indicator works properly on this side.
Doors opening.
Whoops, accidentally hit the one button with my elbow. Whoops. And next to the lift in Hobbycraft. Sadly, this is just a fairly boring stanner.
You know what you're doing.
So here we have a lift at Hobbycraft at Nugent Centre. It is a stanner lift, hydraulic. It's got 2 doors. The rear door I believe is for a service area.
Level 1.
Newer stanner logo.
Door opening.
Let's go back down to 0.
Doors closing. Lift going down.
Security camera's missing. It's got Dewhurst M20 buttons.
Level 0. Doors
Here we are.
opening. Doors closing.
And now to the best lift at the Nugent Centre, which is the EcoDisc in Debenhams. Sadly, this Debenhams is going to be closing down soon. I seriously hope that whoever takes over this retail space from Debenhams doesn't ruin the lift. This is the EcoDisc at Debenhams at Nugent Centre, and sadly this store is actually closing down. I've always wanted to do an EcoDisc with this style buttons, and now I have. Installed 2006, and there's your capacity, and here we are back at 0. Only a small lift. Yeah. And finally to the lift in next, and well, what do you expect? It's just a boring generic Oakland lift. Just as I thought.
Mind the doors, please.
An Oakland's generic lift at next Nugent Centre. Just what I was expecting. Fortunately, they don't make these things anymore.
Lift going down. First floor. Mind the doors, please.
Down we go. Maintained by tech. say what you will about the quality of Oakland lifts, because they're not that great. The cab does look very nice on these ones that they did for Next.
Lift going up. Ground floor.
Yeah, these ones are that they did for Next. Even though they're not very well made, they do have quite a nice cab, I will say that much.
Mind the doors, please.
There we go. And that's it.